dog. One evening, a hungry dog was wandering through the streets of a small town. He found a piece of meat near a butcher's shop. Excited, he picked it up in his mouth and ran away to eat it in peace. On the way, the dog reached a narrow wooden bridge over a stream. As he walked across, he looked down into the water. To his surprise, he saw another dog holding a piece of meat in its mouth. The dog did not realize it was only his reflection in the water. The greedy dog thought, "That dog has another piece of meat. If I bark and scare him, I can get his piece too without thinking." He opened his mouth to bark. The moment he did, his own piece of meat fell into the stream and was carried away by the water. The dog cried sadly. He had lost the only meat he had because of his greed. With an empty stomach, he walked away, realizing his mistake. Moral: greed always leads to loss. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.